bookkeeping. Having provided tailored bookkeeping solutions to businesses across many different industries, we know how to meet and exceed your specific needs. Attention to detail, dedication and confidentiality are trademarks of our service. We are able to come to you and provide not just a superior bookkeeping service, but also assist you with insight into what the numbers mean. We are qualified to assist your business to comply with all legal and tax requirements, including preparation of BAS statements, annual returns, as well as tax planning and meeting legal requirements. Bookkeepingservice.com.au will provide your business with a complete range of services that will allow your business to run smoothly and more profitably. Our bookkeeper service can provide the following: on-site bookkeeping, off-site bookkeeping, data entry and reconciliations, setup and training of your MyAB QuickBooks, BAS preparation, payroll processing and summaries, regular management reporting. For more details about bookkeeping services, visit bookkeepingservice.com.au.